Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and One UI 6 has started rolling out to the S23 line of devices and will soon be coming to other devices such as the S22s, the Fold 4, the Fold 5, Flip 4, all those kind of devices as well. So this is my Z Flip 5 right here. But I'm going to show you some of the stuff that's kind of universal between One UI 6 on all your devices. So these are some of the new features. Of course, we have our new quick toggle panel right here, mainly this one right here, and I'm going to show you on this one how to take full advantage of this and use some of the new features that it has to offer. So first things first is the swipe from the right corner fully expands this. This is turned off by default, so if you want to turn this on, pull it down all the way and hit the little pencil up on the top there, and then you have an option right here, quick settings, instant access. If you turn that on, swiping from the right corner will bring the full quick panel down. So it brings everything down, and then swiping from anywhere else will just bring down your top row and your notifications. Now I do have my volume or my brightness slider up here. That is also something that you can turn on and off. So brightness control you can show only when expanded. So if you just want your quick toggles and your notifications up there, you can turn that brightness slider off and it will only show up down here when it is expanded. So that is that right there, and how you turn that on. Now as far as your quick toggles themselves, this is new in One UI 6 as well, the fact that you can edit these per section. So it used to be the expanded quick toggles, the top row, or the top, I think 6, would be the ones that would show on your minimized section right here. So these 6 would be your top 6 on your expanded row down here. Now these are completely independent of each other. So your top row you can edit right here. Now you do have to have 6 buttons up there. You cannot turn these off. So you do have to have 6 toggles up there. Whatever they may be, you can choose from the list, but you can't have less than 6 and you can't get rid of them. Oops, I think I just reset that on accident, but I'll fix that later. And then for the other one down here, again, hit your pencil, hit edit, and you can edit these right here. Now this one you can have multiple pages. I only have one, so you can kind of add and remove these a little bit more than you can with these 6. So there's that, and then of course you have your device and media controls. I just have that set to don't show because that's not something I use. So that's how you edit that, and of course you can do swipe down and then swipe down again to expand it, or you can swipe from the top right corner to fully expand it, and if you do that you can half swipe up and get your notifications and other quick toggles up there as well. So that is the main new feature in One UI 6 in my opinion, is that section right there. If we hop over to notifications and go to advanced settings, there is also a new option right here called show app icon and notifications. And what that does is it just shows the same app icon that your app uses on the home screen and your notifications to keep things a little bit more unified. So those are some of the settings and features in One UI 6 I do recommend using just to change the look and feel of it a little bit. And those are some of the main new features. Like I said, there's other stuff, camera stuff, all kinds of other stuff that I'm not going to get into in this video. These are just some of the home screen and overall system changes that I wanted to go over that you guys should enable to take advantage of those new features. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. If there's something else you want to see, let me know down in the comments section below.